Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I'm going to show you how to take out a left front door panel, inner door handle. It's going to be very easy. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. One of the first things we're going to do, now that the door's open, we're going to get behind this right here. Take something small like a pocket screwdriver or whatever you have that you can wedge in there. And then pry this up. Let's see, there we are. Behind here, there's a little push clip. Always take a look at your wiring. Make sure there's no funny colors. That one looks good. I'll tuck it away for now. Okay. Take a look behind here. Okay. I don't see any bolts, anything that's holding our panel on. So let's move along. Right here, there's a little cover. See if I can get my pocket screwdriver in there. Looks like there's a Phillips head screw. So let's remove that. We've got another one right here, another little panel looking thing. Let's see if I can get it. Cool. What do we got? Looks like a Phillips head. Awesome. Let's see if I can get it. Oh. Phillips head number 2. It's a little longer than the first, so try to keep that in mind. Here's what we're dealing with. Short one, up top. Longer one, down bottom. Okay? Let's move along. Right here, there's a little push clip. All you do on these is you push in the center. See if I can get it. There you are. Once that's pushed in, it's in the unlocked position. You should be able to grab the outer ring of the push pin. Slide it right out. Okay, to reset that, all you do is you just push it all the way through like that. Now it's good to go. When you go to reinstall it, you want to have the pin facing out. Put it in your hole. Push this in so it's flush, and now it's in the locked position. Oh, all right, watch out for that. Cool. All right, now let's just take a feel around. Make sure there's no more bolts. Feels pretty good. Cool. All right, let's move along. We'll grab our door panel tool. I'm gonna grab one more, a little thicker. I'm gonna show you how to get this off. So, now we're just gonna feel along the bottom. Feel where our door panel is. Let me see if I can get my plastic tool up in between here. Well, that's really in there. Cool. Okay, grab one that's a little stronger. I'm just gonna come around. A couple little pins. Those all slide right back in, easy peasy. I'll show you in a minute. Okay. So, behind here, we have our cables, okay? This one's the door lock up along the top. This should be right in here, so I'll put it in to show you. Okay, assuming it's where it should be, which is where it is, all you do is take the white, you pry it away, and you lift right up through there. There's a little slot, okay? Just comes through like that and like that. Easy peasy. Next, I'm gonna take this green one, do the same thing, remove those. Now we've removed our left front door panel. Easy peasy. So here we go. We've got the door panel off. We've got a clear view of what's going on. Phillips head, and a little clippy do. That's what it looks like, nice and short. There's the pair, both the same. Slide that out of there. There's our inner door handle. So here we go. It's time to reinstall this door handle. Just goes in like that. Okay. Got a little clippy do there. It's just gonna sit like that. Got our 2 screws. This one in there. There we are. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Off we go. On to the next step. So on your door panel, you'll notice that you have a whole bunch of these little clips, right? Maybe when you were taking it off, one of them came shooting off, like this one. Little piton. You take it. Just gonna slide it in the hole. There we are. All the rest of them are still on there. So I'd say we're clear to move on to the next step of getting our panel on. We'll bring it over. I'm gonna take this back off of here real quick. Cool. We've got our cables, all right? The white one goes on top, green one on the bottom. So that means that the white goes for the lock and the green goes for the handle. So I'm gonna start with the bottom, that's what I do. Just gonna slide it in. Slide it in there. Same thing for here. Okay, easy peasy. Grab our little cable. Get it up where we need it. The door panel itself kind of has like a little hook like this. It's gonna sit down over this. All right, I'm just gonna bring it up and bring it down, set it right down along there. Here we go. It's time for the fun part. Give it a bonk, 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 bonk. That's my thing. Cool. Feels like it's nice and secure. We've got a screw hole, a little push button, and then our switch. Let's do it. Big screw goes in the lower hole. See if I can get my head in there. Okay. Close that puppy up. Very nice. Grab our next screw. These are just screwing into plastic, so you know, you don't have to get too carried away with tightening them down. There we are. Close this up. All right. Should want to stay, but why doesn't it want to stay? Hold on. Try that. There we are. Cool. Connect our switch. It's going to go in there like that. This is just going to sit down in there like that. There we are. All right, so we got this down. Let's move along. We'll get in this one last little push clip here. There we are. Now let's test everything. Grab the window. Good. Door locks. Good. Let's test the latch, door handle. Perfect. Great job, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.